This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the note and selecting the exact text to change. This matters because formatting applies to selected content. Once selected, tap the formatting icon. It looks like an with lines to reveal font size controls. If you're on a Mac, use Format Font to see size options. Once done, choose a preset size or use the slider or numeric field to increase or decrease. This immediately updates the paragraph and keeps consistent styling. Now you refine size and style together so your note reads correctly. You can select a preset like title or body to automatically change size, or enter a numeric size for precise control. This is useful for consistent headings. Make sure to preview how bold or italic interacts with the chosen size, because heavier weights can look larger. Once done, apply to each paragraph or use block selection to change multiple lines at once. This saves time and keeps alignment consistent. Finish by saving and verifying the changes across your devices. You should tap Done or click away to commit the formatting. Make sure iCloud is up to date so the same sizes appear on iPhone and Mac. If formatting reverts, check system font settings and accessibility text size, because those can override notes. As a tip, restart notes or toggle iCloud sync. If problems persist, sign out and back in to force a style refresh. This usually resolves stubborn inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.